Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in. In today's episode, I'm going to show you guys how to change your lever for your clutch and your brake on a YZ450. I needed something ASAP, so I picked up something from Amazon. This is a MZS part, so let's see how it holds up. If it's too cheap, I will definitely go and replace them again with the OEM from the Yamaha dealership. Again, I just wanted something ASAP, so I picked this up. So let's see how it goes. And here are the levers that I went with in color gold. So they seem to be, in good material. So let's install them and see how it goes. Alright, so I'm going to get started. Since I have the handle guards, I'm going to start with removing these. Alright, and then what's next is we're going to go ahead and actually just over on this side. Let's take out the screw. You have the clutch pin there. Simply comes off simply that way. So here's the new clutch lever, gold color. Just kind of wanted something as an accent, so just line it up. That's it. Simple as that. And then push it right back. And there's your new clutch lever. Say hi to my worker. Fell asleep. Getting a little bit of sun. Anyways. And I tightened it too much. So see what happens when you over tighten it. Let's loosen up a hair. Went right back. There's your clutch. So now you should see that it hyperextends. So if you drop the bike, it should technically not break unless you just get it at a right angle. So let's see if it works. The answer is yes. Sorry, I woke up my dog. Sorry, Ajax. Alright. That's it for the clutch. Now moving on to the brake. I'm going to start by removing my guards again. Pretty easy. Alright, so I just removed the boot, and on the brake side you have a 10 on top and a 10 on the bottom. Always have difficult getting this removed. So you do need to spin it out. Once you remove the top, get rid of the old one. Let's put in the new one. You want to make sure that this nipple goes into this insert. So usually I would recommend start with that, just to make sure it's in. Get your 10 in through there. I find it easier just using my impact and putting it through with a little bit of pressure. So then you'll just get the 2 wrenches. Tighten it up. And there you have it. Final product. I just gotta put in my handguard back, but same function. Hyperextends. This particular case, I don't know how well it's gonna work because I do have the guards. Show you guys here in this particular situation. So maybe it won't work, but we'll find out. Anyways, guys, thank you for tuning in. Hopefully this was helpful. Very, very simple. All you need is 2 10s and an 8 to get this job done. Should only take you a few minutes. Thank you again for watching, and have a great day. That's a wrap, guys.